trying to take this thing off the trailer before it gets dark. This might be a little challenge. I'll be a little bit less than putting it on the trailer. At least we have all the tools we need in the garage, from the jacks to the jack stands and dollies and everything. I'm trying to struggle to get this low. That's it. Almost there. A few more steps to go. Neck is on the ground. Voila. Two more to go. Alright, ramps are down. I have to use our bobcat to lower this thing because it might be a little challenge. We have everything we need here, so let's go get our toy, unload it. Go get a bobcat. Alright, my son went to get some straps. We're going to unload this thing. Let's gently pull it off. We're able to fill up this tire, so this tire actually holds air. That's good. So we only need pretty much one tire rim. That one is completely broken. There's nothing we can do about it. Good morning, guys. Day number 2. We got a close friend to our family, a great glass guy, coming over to help us with this window. He's gonna cut the window out for us so we can clean this car a little bit because there's tons of glass inside. And then we're gonna start removing the airbags and go through the whole car and make a list of all the parts we're gonna need. So stay tuned. Friend of our family, quality glasses in the house. No job too big, no job too small. Everything is possible as long as you want to. Look at this thing. There's not much left out of this windshield. How are you doing this thing? I don't know. I guess years of experience.
60 years.
60 years? And how old are you? 30? 32, okay. So he's got probably some experience beyond we know. Maybe in the other life. Quality auto glass. Fast, convenient and reliable. Man, it's almost out. He's quick like a lightning. Very fast guy. Look like it was impossible. Ooh. He even saves the mirror. Look at that.
Exactly.
Beautiful. Oof. We got the garbage bag right here. I'm gonna have to pack this somehow because there's gonna be a lot of mess. Check out some quality@gmail.com. We need glasses? What do we need?
Glasses.
Alright.
Alright.
Where's my fingers? I know I got other 9, but what a mess. Very nice. There's a lot of glass. I think how the previous owner of this car. we need a vacuum. We definitely need a vacuum. Alright. Got it out. I'll fold this thing. Let's fold it over. Here. Over here, a solution outer part. My body pole. It's got a hookup. Let's do this. Man, these guys got everything. You guys need any parts for Evos, S2000s, G35s? A solution outer part. This is it. Our pole gonna hook you up, or any other guys. They're really friendly stuff over here. So I got all kinds of stuff. Let's look around. What else they got over here? Definitely gonna pick up some nice rim set. Instead of buying one wheel, we can just buy one. Instead of buying one wheel, we should probably buy a set, because they got choices, any colors, any sizes. Damn, it's awesome. You pick. Here's this 2000. Oh, and they got a doggy security. Here's an MR.
I thought he was gonna attack.
He thought he was gonna attack you.
He jumped off the top step to the floor.
Hey, baby.
Dropped me by my leg.
Oh, and this looks like it's gonna be a parts car. A donor. We might get some parts off of this one. Definitely a door, because the door looks good.
I'm gonna retire off this.
So definitely we can use the fender or the hood. Ours is a little bit better condition. Let's look around. What else they got? STIs, T70s, clips. These guys got it all. Even got an old MR2. Look at this thing.
This is sick.
This is cool. RX-8, boy. You guys see any cars you might like or you need parts? A Solution Auto Parts. That's where we're at today. My buddy Paul, good friend of our family. We're gonna hook you up. Even got a Cobalt SS. Not bad. What is here? BRC, Genesis. Infinity. Oh, look at that, another MR2. That's sweet. And the 300ZX. Those are getting harder and harder to find. Alright, let's go back to find what we're looking for, right? Let's go get ourselves some suspension, a fender, a door. What else do we need? Oh, roof airbag we need. There you go. We need some pillows, new pillows, because ours are blown. So let's go. Stay focused. Stay focused, because this is a parts heaven right here. More Subarus. Oh, another Evo. Man, these guys got parts galore over here. Gee. Fiesta St. Oh, all kinds of different exhaust, different names, different brands. I'm telling you, A Solution Auto Parts. Paul gonna hook you up. Call him up. We'll send you the link below and the phone number. More wheels. These are the fourth ones. This is like Mitsubishi.
It's more Honda and Acura than Mitsubishi.
We've seen it all, but they have a basement full of parts as well. Fenders, trunklets, side skirts, hoods, bumpers, headlights. Holy moly. Any color you can think of. I'm telling you, A Solution Auto Parts, talk to Paul or the other Paul. There's two Pauls. They're cousins. They're really cool people. And they'll hook you up. They got a lot of parts. Some of them A grade, some of them B grade. Some of them used to be painted, but they got aftermarket parts, OEM parts. You know, man, they got a dungeon in here. Oh, more parts in here. Where is Paul at?
Which side do you need?
Left headlight.
Left headlight?
This is the guy to talk to. His name is Paul. See how friendly he is? He's smiling. He's excited to see you. That's a customer service. Hey, what?
I was gonna say we have to take the rims off first of all.
I got it.
You know what? I'm gonna make it so you can't use
The leather control arm, spindle, trailing arms, axle. Yo. We got all the parts to put the car back on its wheels so we can push it or drive it on its own power. Open it up. All right. Open it up. Voila. Let's go get the rest of our parts. Here comes our shoes. Stock. That's it, sir. Silver ones. They're all silver. It's like, which ones? All right. We got the left front door. We got the spindle. We got the extra component. And we got some new shoes. They're just temporarily. With the original. But we got an awesome deal. They solution out the parts. So we got all 4 of them instead of 1. We also got a side skirt. We're missing headlight, fender, hood, and a pillar. That's it. And seats. But they're gonna get the seats for us for next day, along with the headline there and the roof, airbag, the sleeping bag. So let's go. We gotta vacuum some of this glass so we can get in the car easier because this glass is scary. We got the window cut out early, as you can see. Now you're gonna vacuum all of this grass out of here because there's a lot of glass everywhere. Inside the car, on the dashboard, even in these vents. We're gonna try to get all this glass out, Let's get to work. Lot of glass. They had the exact seats.